All right, money makers, welcome to another day here on a Thursday. Thank you for coming back and liking and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. We're trying to get to 400. Let's go. I know we can do this. There's a billion people in the world. It's not just only 350 people in the world. We can get to 400. But I need you guys' help to keep this channel strong. And we go do this. We go get there. We go get to 1,000 subscribers before 3 years. I've been doing this channel for a year and 8 months. Let's try to get to it. Let's try to get to it before next year. You never know. I always have different money opportunities where I talk about ways to make money on this channel. If you don't know who I am, Duran, and I've been doing this for a year and 8 months now on YouTube, creating, videos about how to make money online because a lot of people probably don't know about these websites. But let's get into it. You didn't hear this one, this particular um, research. You can pretty much get paid to join different research panels, like healthcare panels, business panels, and consumer panels. Most likely, you want to join the consumer panel right here, and they're gonna, ask you a couple of questions. Um, you're gonna click the continue button, and they're gonna ask you, um, just different questions that you need to really kind of understand and continue, and keep continuing, about this. But in case you guys don't know, um, this is a legitimate particular website where a lot of people can get paid to participate in research study projects, just like the other ones that you've been seeing. And you want to click here to register, to join the customer panel and just ask all these different questions. So you can get paid anywhere from 150 to like $400. It just all depends on the type of research studies that they are asking, whether you are a healthcare professional, whether you're a consumer, whether you are technology. It just depends on your profession and what you can even sign up as a consumer or you can sign up as a healthcare professional. It just all depends on what type of consumer you are to be able to, so they can match you with the particular research study projects. And no, everybody will not qualify for it, but that's okay. I know that these are legitimate options because I researched them thoroughly and I'm seeing people make money from it. So they are not scams and they do pay. It's a lot of opportunities in the world that maybe you guys don't know about it. So that's why I'm bringing you these opportunities. But I want to know if you ever heard of this particular website. Please comment, like, and subscribe. The Taylor Research. This is what the website is, and you can make anywhere from $100 to $400 by joining different research study projects that are really good to join and to make as much money as you can. You want to join as many customer panels as possible on different research study projects to make as much money as you can. They have Averena Research, they have Focus Forward, they have Focus Groups .com, they have um, you know Elliott Research on Benson. It's just so many different research study projects, and then including this Taylor one. So don't say that you can't never make money from any of these because I've done so many research study projects over the course of, since I started this channel and even before I started this channel, I have made money. So I know it's money to be made online, so you can't tell me otherwise. But let me know if this is something that you want to join. Go ahead and just follow the same exact steps I showed you steps earlier. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.